Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods, as well as unique factory-manufactured items. If you're looking to start your own business or supplement your income, selling on Etsy can be a great opportunity. In this ebook, we'll go over the steps to set up and run a successful Etsy shop, as well as provide 10 shop ideas to get you started. Introduction to Etsy and how it works. Etsy is an e-commerce platform specifically designed for creative entrepreneurs. It allows you to set up an online shop and sell your handmade or vintage items, or unique factory-manufactured items. Etsy has a large and engaged community of buyers, and it's a great way to reach a wide audience for your products. To get started on Etsy, you'll need to create an account and set up your shop. You'll be able to choose a shop name and customize the appearance of your shop. You'll also be able to list your products, set your pricing, and manage your orders and customer interactions. Etsy charges a small fee for each transaction that takes place in your shop. There is a listing fee of 20 cents per item, and a transaction fee of 5% of the item's sale price. There are also fees for optional services such as promoted listings and shipping labels. It's important to factor these fees into your pricing to ensure that you're making a profit. Setting up your Etsy shop. Once you've created your account and decided to open a shop, you'll need to take a few steps to get it set up. Choosing a name. Your shop name should reflect your brand and the types of products you sell. It's a good idea to choose a name that is memorable and easy to spell. Avoid using spaces or special characters in your shop name, as it may be harder for customers to find you. Writing a compelling shop announcement. Your shop announcement is a short message that appears at the top of your shop's homepage. Use this space to introduce yourself and your products, and let your customers know what makes your shop unique. This is your chance to tell your story and create a connection with your potential customers. Keep it concise and to the point, and consider including a call to action to encourage customers to browse your products. Creating listings and pricing your products. To list a product on Etsy, you'll need to provide a title, description, and photos. The title and description should accurately and clearly describe your product, and include any relevant keywords to help customers find your product in search results. Photos are a crucial element of your listing, as they are the first thing that potential customers will see. Take the time to create high-quality photos that showcase your product in the best light. You'll also need to set a price for your product. It's important to consider the cost of materials, time, and any other expenses when pricing your products. Don't forget to factor in Etsy's fees when determining your pricing. Setting up payment and shipping options. Etsy allows you to accept various forms of payment, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, and other options. You'll need to choose which payment methods you'd like to offer in your shop. It's also important to set up your shipping options, including the countries you'll ship to, shipping rates, and any handling fees. Consider offering multiple shipping options to give your customers more flexibility. For example, you could offer standard, expedited, and international shipping options. Adding policies to your shop. It's a good idea to have a set of policies in place to ensure a smooth transaction.